Hi everyone, this is the video number 14 of our ethical hacking using Kali Linux video series, and today in this video I will tell you how you can gather some information about your target's websites. For example, you have a website of your target and now you want to analyze your target's websites. So how you can do this? So today we will learn how you can gather information about your target websites. So let's get started. So first of all, open any browser in your computer. For example, I am using Firefox, so I will open Firefox browser. Now there is first site is who.is. So if you want to find this website, then just type who.is. Then you will get this website. Now just type your victim's domain name or IP address. So I will type Facebook domain, facebook.com, and hit enter. After some time, you will get results of Facebook website. Now you can gather some information about your target, means Facebook. For example, expire date means when this domain will expire, and registration date means when this domain was registered. And there is name servers means Facebook have own server, and there is similar domains and register data. And now here you can see some information about registration. For example, organization is Meta platforms. I think you know very well about Meta, and it is address US. So we can say by using this website you can find some information about your target websites or your target platform. So now we will try to gather some more information about our target. So I will add a extension. In Google Chrome we will say extension, but in Firefox we will say add-ons. So I will you need to type add-ons, and I will add one add-ons. So just search their webalizer and open this add-ons and add to Firefox. Okay, so now it is installation successful. So after this we will gather some more information about our victim. For example, I will open my website. Okay, so now we will try to gather some information about my website. For example, which CMS I am using for this website, and which plugins, themes, and more things about my website. So I will just click on webalizer. And now here you can see these all are my technologies of my website. For example, CMS is WordPress, database is MySQL, analytics means I'm using for analytics Google Analytics and Sitekit, and for advertising I'm using Google AdSense, and blogs on WordPress, page builder I'm using page builder Elementor 7.1.7, and these are JavaScript libraries, and security, UI framework, and WordPress theme. I am using OceanWP as my WordPress theme, and there are some plugins and marketing automation. CDN I am using Cloudflare, and programming language by PHP. So these are some technologies of my website, and I think these are too much information about my website. So you can easily gather these types of information of any website. So if you like this video, then hit the like button. So thank you for watching this video. See you again in the next video.